Robert Clive opened India's first formal cow slaughter in 1716 Kolkata. He removed the ban on cow slaughter, which had been there off and on even during the Mughal rules. And he employed as a divide and rule policy Indian Muslims as butchers in those slaughterhouses. More dangerously, he seeded the thoughts in the minds of a few Indian Muslims that beef eating was their religious right. So much so that in 1958, well after India had achieved independence, there were a group of Indian Bihar Muslims who filed a petition in Supreme Court, quoting that they would want to include beef as a religious right. Of course, that got shot down. Author Dharampalji says that since about 1860, British and European scholars started a new school of Vedic interpretation to impress on the westernized class in India that the ancient Vedas also advocated, celebrated, and feasted on the flesh of the cow or bullock. But that so it'd be easy to explain and understand that yes, our Vedas were also colonized. And we were made to believe this was part of deriding our culture. And historical fact too, one of the longest running anti-colonial movement was a revolt against the British practice of cow slaughter. Now tell me, in our history lessons, how many of us are told about it? Like when I was doing a history and I was a fairly good history student, I don't remember being told about a 14-year anti-colonial movement against the British practice of cow slaughter. We have talked about 1857, we talked about hordes of many other things, but nowhere does our school history lesson mention this, at least in my generation as a student. In fact, this movement shook the foundations of the British Empire to its core, so much so that the Viceroy, Lord Lansdowne, at that time, he wrote a note to the Queen, to Queen Victoria, saying, I doubt whether, since the mutiny, any movement containing in it a greater amount of potential mischief had engaged the attention of the government of India. So, what I'm trying to say is that these very important chapters of our history are not mentioned in our history books. We are not aware that there has, that there was a big movement against the Britishers for the cow slaughter, which they had launched formally in the country.